Hello everyone. Today I will start a new tutorial based on a topic that is HTML. HTML is a very useful language. We are initially learn HTML in our schools or in colleges for creating web pages. So in this tutorial we will explain each and every concept of HTML and try to create a proper website with the help of tags of HTML. Now let's start. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's an markup language which is used for creating web pages. Introduction of HTML. HTML basically stands for Hypertext Markup Language. As I told you, it is used for creating web pages. Any page you see on the web, that is a web page. With the help of this language, we create web pages. And it is widely used only for the web. But with the HTML, you can only create static website. That means that will be an fixed or something you know from the earlier. In dynamic websites, you can search any information and you can get that information. With the help of HTML, you can create static website. Now, I will explain you a terminology that is hypertext. Hypertext, it's basically when you see there are so many web pages on the internet and they are interconnected with each other. When you click on one text, it will open another web page or it will open another image or some other links. So basically, what is hypertext? When you link web pages or documents together, then it will open another web page. So when we give link to a text, then that text becomes an hypertext. As you are familiar that HTML is a markup language. So what do you mean by markup? Markup means a text document with tags. HTML is a tag-based language. There will be an opening tag, closing tag, and there are some empty tags as well, which tells a web browser how to structure its whole web page and how to display it. So what is web browser? It's a software program that help you to display a page on web. Basically, if you want to access any page or any web page, then you need a software that is known as web browser. Basically, for accessing internet, you need web browser. Popular web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. Now, let's go through to the history of HTML. In 1980s, Tim Berners-Lee is the creator of this World Wide Web. So he proposed a system in CRN's researchers. In 1989, he proposed an internet-based hypertext system, basically, in which web pages are interconnected. That's why he's known as father of HTML. And first description of HTML was called HTML tags, which is proposed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. That is why it's an tag-based language. What are the features of HTML? It is very easy to learn and used. It's a simple language as it is a markup language, so it is very flexible to design along with text. There are some tags for formatting as well. It helps programmer or beginners to link the web pages to enhance the interest of browsing of the user. You can link different pages. You can give a link to text, then it will open another page which have songs, which have images, which have videos. You can do according to your choice. It's a platform independent. Basically, you can run on any platform, either on Windows, Linux, Mac. So you don't need to depend on any platform. And it helps us to add graphics, audio, video. As I told you, if you give any link, then it will open different sections that make your website interactive and interactive so that user can use that website easily.